Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is attention. The small things make a huge difference. As I say in this page, it could be the smallest screw in the tiniest corner of the desk that comes loose, and that jeopardizes the entire foundation. Remember how you've been evolving, how you've been tempering tempering yourself, because as you go into this next level, these are the small things you need to be able to pull out your backpack to serve you in the future. I'm attentive to all that manifests within me. When negativity arises within me, I transform it into light, something positive and beautiful. Love, light, and hope. My love for others is unconditional. I forgive, which is a huge power. Forgiving is not only is really for you. It frees up so much energy to be replaced with positivity so you can skyrocket to the next level. My desire to improve is constant, and I am firm, brave, and hardworking. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.